on, guys? It's been a minute since I made a video, but that's because there's been nothing to film. Terminator's still over there, looking the same way it did in the last video, but we got plans for it coming very soon. But today we're going to the car show at VMP. Gonna go down there with a good group of cars. Should be pretty fun. So what do you think it's gonna make on the dyno today?
Well, 800 or more, hopefully.
800?
Yeah.
Imagine it just lays down 1,000.
Yeah, right.
All right, guys, Blake here from the cutting room. Forgot to say this in the video, but as we watched the day progress and all these dynos, we started realizing something. No one was able to paramount my dad's numbers on the dyno, and this is surprising and exciting because VMP had made a trophy for first and second place. So as the day progresses, you'll see it turn into a little bit of a competition where it's like, oh, we might walk away with something here. So that's really cool, and watching that transpire was pretty fun. So here you guys go. This is what scares us. My money's on this thing beating the Cobra. So the Camaro turned out only make like 600 horsepower, but now this thing is the new fear factor. The day was nearly finished, and it was about 25 minutes keeping us from hoisting that #1 spot trophy for the dyno competition here at VMP. And besides the turbo BMW that stalled out and could not start back up in the line was gone, and that was it. The day was over. We were just counting down the minutes at this point. Nobody was in the line. Surely a car that makes more power than 809 horsepower wouldn't show up last minute. So we thought it was one, but then this cat showed up. So we'll see. Oh man, 20 or so minutes to go, and this red I had to come and swoop it away. It's all right, though. It really is okay. We didn't expect to come here and win anything. It's really cool that we did. It really puts a mark on just as much work and time and funds that we put into this car. It really is rewarding that we're at least going to get to take home something. Second place trophy is still pretty cool. Did you guys see it? It's still half a supercharger. So taking home second place would be pretty cool, right? Right?
Mike! That's the wrong number!
𝘬𝘓𝑚
First and foremost, thank each and every single one of y'all for making this possible. Like, it's one thing to say we're gonna put on a car show, but to have people come out and support just means the world to us, so thank you. And without further ado, I'm gonna shut up and actually get to the point. First highest in horsepower on the dyno was a 20 Hellcat red-eye Challenger owned by Dennis M with 830 wheel horsepower. Dennis, come claim your trophy. Congratulations, Dennis. Thank you. Second highest is a 2004 Cobra owned by Kenneth with 809 rear-wheel horsepower.
Yes, sir.
All right, and last but well maybe least in this case, because that was the goal for this particular trophy, with lowest horsepower on today's dyno session is a 1977 Dakota owned by Patrick Bryan with 160 wheel horsepower. Congratulations to all the winners, high and low. Thank you again so much for coming out and hanging out with us today. Have a fantastic rest of your weekend.
And they stay there. And they say yeah. And they Ludacris going in on the verse. I never been defeated and I won't stop now.
Just look at this thing.
My verse is still be serving. Like a million birds. Last time on the calendar.
Hell yeah, dude. Out of like 50 cars today, he won second place, which is funny because it was, you know, that was not our intention coming today.
Nope.
So how much horsepower is this 900 horsepower car gonna make? Like